दिक्कत क्या है आइसोट्रेटिनोइन के साथ इज वेरी अपेरेंट. साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं बिगिनिंग में, देयर इज नो वे अराउंड इट. आई हैव नॉट मेट अ सिंगल पर्सन जिसने कहा है कि मुझे साइड इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ है. एंड इफ यू वांट टू यूज ट्रेटिनोइन, प्लीज थोड़ा सा ये वीडियो देखो, क्योंकि आप अगर ऐसे यूज करोगे कि मेरे को ब्लू वाली चाहिए, मेरे को रेड वाली चाहिए, देन यू विल स्क्रू अप योर स्किन. ट्रस्ट मी, ट्रेटिनोइन इज अ वेरी हार्श इंग्रेडिएंट, और अगर आपको एग्जैक्टली नहीं पता है वो आपकी स्किन के साथ क्या कर सकता है, देन यू विल एंड अप डैमेजिंग इट. सो वेट एंड लेट मी टेल यू if you should actually use it. अब ये तो सच है कि it can make your skin glow, it reverses aging, gives you clear skin. After छोटा सा नीचे जाता है कर्व साइड इफेक्ट्स का, उसके बाद ऊपर एकदम. और that's what I would like to say, but ट्रेटिनोइन is something जो आपको डर्मेट के अप्रूवल के बिना नहीं यूज करना है, because a dermatologist is the only one who will ever be able to figure out कि क्या आपके केस में वर्क करेगा वो. So today I'll show you tretinoin, is it the goat of skincare ingredients, and how not to ruin your skin while using it, because it's really easy to ruin your skin while using it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more stuff like this. Share it with someone who uses isotretinoin so that if they're doing some mistake, they can hopefully get out of it before they start looking like a Dalmatian. My name is Akshat Saraswat and I'm the lead product developer at Twatcha Marketing. मैं देखता हूँ YouTube पे मैं करता हूँ, so I'm the one man army of Twatcha. Thank you for coming to my channel. I have developed tens of products and sold them to tens of thousands of people. सब लोगों से मैं personally touch में रहने की कोशिश करता हूँ, and I've made this video based on the research I did while I was thinking of developing a tretinoin ointment. We have a retinol cream, but retinol and tretinoin, for those of you who don't know, are part of the same vitamin A derivatives family, retinoids family, but they are very different. Retinoid is an over-the-counter medication. Tretinoin के लिए आपको prescription चाहिए होता है. The difference between these is the effectiveness and the radical nature of tretinoin. Tretinoin is much more likely to ruin your skin than retinol is. Retinol भी थोड़ा radical होता है, but let's move on to the way you can use ट्रेटिनोइन. तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि ट्रेटिनोइन आपके लिए काम नहीं कर रहा है? इट्स एक्चुअली रियली सिंपल. इफ यू सी पीलिंग स्किन, लाइक लिटरली पीलिंग स्किन, ट्रेटिनोइन लगाया, मेकअप लगाया, शाम को जब आप मेकअप धो रहे हो एंड यू रियलाइज दैट योर स्किन इज पीलिंग, सम पीपल हैव इवन सेड लाइक अ रेप्टाइल, देन you know tretinoin is not working for you. Or is it? Sometimes it might just be the purging phase. Purging phase is when your skin radically sheds skin cells to restart its cell renewal cycle. That's the most important part of using tretinoin. You will go through the purging phase. और purging phase के बाद आपको देखना है, is your skin taking to the tretinoin or not? Like all vitamin A derivatives, tretinoin is also something that you cannot wear in the sun because it is ज़्यादा tanning हो जाएगी आपको, and you will get so much redness, inflammation on your skin if you wear it in the sun that you will definitely need to go to the emergency. इसलिए अगर आप tretinoin लगा भी रहे हो, इन सब पहली बात तो लगा रहे हो तो your dermat must have told you to wear a sunscreen with it, but if you are wearing it in the day, then be prepared because it's not going to work for you. And remember, these side effects are totally manageable if you know how to curb them. And don't worry, I got all the research you will ever need to know how to use tretinoin, so just stick around. Does tretinoin fade scars and pigmentations? Yes, it does. But that doesn't mean कि आप पूरे अपने चेहरे पे लगा लो उसको. You use a pea-sized amount. That's it. No more, no less. It boosts your collagen and tightens your skin. That's true because it fastens up your cell renewal cycle. पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप हर दिन लगाओ जिससे कि आपके glowing skin जल्दी जल्दी वापस आती जाए और पुरानी dead skin जल्दी जल्दी शेड होती जाए. इससे आपको साइड इफेक्ट होंगे. You need to start with once a week and then after a month or two go to 2 times a week, and then maximum, even unless you have a very extreme case and told by the dermat, 3 times a week should be more than enough. और वो भी सिर्फ रात में. अगर आपने इसे दिन में लगा लिया then it's game over. Then don't expect any good effect from it, क्योंकि आपको ऐसे सिर्फ रात में ही लगाना है. It will even out your skin tone, पर ऐसा नहीं है कि आप रात में लगा के सुबह उठे and your skin is already even. आप कई महीने लगते हैं, 4 months actually, to start seeing the benefits from tretinoin. But once you get through the purge phase, 1 महीने जैसी होती है, you will see some immediate benefits, like थोड़े immediate benefits, but पूरी स्किन पे benefits देखने के लिए like all over face थोड़ा समय लगता है. 4 months तो आप मान के चलिए. It has long-term anti-aging benefits. And क्या वो सबके लिए काम करता है tretinoin? 90% people saw drastic improvement in their skin texture and signs of aging in just a 24-week study. A very important thing that you should remember is to use a sandwich method because it has actually worked very well with all vitamin A derivatives, not just tretinoin. Retinol के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. You use a soothing moisturizer, something with a bunch of soothing agents, and you let it sit on your skin for 10-15 minutes. उसके बाद आप फिर tretinoin लगाओ अपने चेहरे पे. रेटिनॉल के साथ भी यही करना है आपको, और फिर यू जस्ट लेट इट सिट ऑन योर स्किन, लेट इट सीप इनटू इट. फिर उसके बाद आप फिर से एक बार मॉइस्चराइजर लगाइए. सो ऑल द सूदिंग इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द मॉइस्चराइजर प्रिवेंट इन्फ्लेमेशन from isotretinoin. Oh, and if you're using tretinoin, you need to use sunscreen daily. even if you have put retinoin 3 din pehle, then you need sunscreen today. Don't ask me why. It just shows in a lot of studies that when people don't do this, all the side effects of retinoin hunt them. Literally hunt them down. And I'm not making fun of anyone, but with my own eyes, I have seen somebody looking like a Dalmatian. I'm sorry, it's not the best comparison, but literally I was so scared. So if you want to avoid that, please don't forget to use sunscreen if you use retinol or retinoin. If you found this useful till now, share it with someone who might like it, or just press a bunch of buttons on the screen. That really does help. So just a small recap of what not to do. Don't use too much. Don't use it every day. Don't use it on wet skin. Don't combine it with any other radical substance like AHA or BHA. And don't forget to moisturize. And if you skip sunscreen, game over. Automatically game over. Hey, if you found this channel, then you should check out some of our other videos. We have our co-founder Dr. Preeti Saraswat with us, explaining to us 5 worst skincare mistakes you can make if you want glass skin. So don't do these mistakes and you'll have glass skin. And right here you have the how to remove dark circles. This is one of our all-time favorites. We have it on in our hospital screen all the time and people actually love it. Bye.